Hey everyone, it's Kyle here. So I graduated high school about a month ago, and 2 weeks ago I made a video talking about what college I chose to go to and sharing my thoughts about that. And in the comment section, a lot of people raised concerns about whether I was going to be continuing to maintain this channel in the future, continuing to publish new tutorials and robotics videos. So today's video is all about me answering those questions that you guys have been asking and discussing what the future of my channel, BuilderDude35, is going to look like in the coming months. Alright, so first I'm going to go right ahead and deal with everyone's most pressing question: am I going to continue to maintain this channel? And the answer to that is yes, or at least as long as I can. I would really like to keep publishing videos on a somewhat consistent basis on this channel, because I realize that this channel, aside from being a major hobby of mine, is a huge source of inspiration for a lot of people, and it has been for the past few years, and I'd like it to stay that same source of inspiration for the next few years to come. I'd like to be able to keep this channel alive and continue to grow this community and help more people learn, help to inspire them, and at the same time it feels good when I know that I'm helping people. Just earlier today I was scrolling through all the comments on my channel, especially on my college video. A lot of people talking about how I've inspired them, and that's something that I want to continue to do going forward. So now that I said that, yes, I am going to be continuing to publish new content on this channel. And we're at about 15,000 subscribers right now. I want to see how far I can go. If I can keep going, reach 20,000, 30,000 subscribers. I mean, the dream is to reach 100,000. I don't know if that's possible. But with that being said, even though I'm going to be continuing the channel, it won't necessarily be the EV3 tutorials that you're used to seeing. And there's a few reasons to that. The first reason is it's going to be pretty difficult for me to keep up with the tutorials while I'm in a college dorm. The second reason, and the main reason, is I'm kind of out of ideas. I've covered so much bandwidth with my EV3 tutorials over the years that I feel like I've just about covered everything that there is to say. And if you've got something that I haven't covered, please go right ahead and leave it in the comment section below, and you have a very good chance of seeing that become a tutorial. So anyway, what the channel is going to look like for the next few weeks is, in my notebook I have 11 or so good tutorial ideas for EV3 related videos that I want to make. So through August I'm going to be producing these videos, and they'll set them to publish out. That'll bring us about halfway into October, because that's about 10 or 11 weeks worth of tutorials. However, I want to keep this channel, and I don't necessarily need to focus on EV3 tutorials, I don't think, because I want also to shift in some project related videos. And what that is I want to just be able to have some free time to just make stuff, and of course I'll be doing a lot of that at college. And I want to make videos documenting the projects that I've been working on, and I think that's really cool. That's personally something that I enjoy a little bit more than maybe the tutorials, but at the same time you're still going to get a lot of the same educational value in learning about a lot of the concepts that go into those projects. Like, for example, the first of the project videos that I have planned is talking about how I was able to put LED lights in my graduation cap. So that's a video that you'll be able to see soon. And also right now I'm currently making my own electric bass. That'll also be a project video on the channel. And they're just cool things that I'm going to make, and I'll be able to publish the videos on the channel and explain how I did them, maybe inspire you to make your own projects, and you'll still be able to learn a lot of stuff about science and technology from the videos. So in other words, I'm not moving completely away from EV3, at least not in the near future. I'm still going to have some EV3 tutorials, and you can leave your suggestions if you'd like to see a specific EV3 tutorial made. But at the same time, I'm also going to be exploring engineering and science outside of EV3 on this channel. And really, if you think of it, the EV3 was just a means for me to teach general robotics concepts to you guys, and it wasn't always essentially about the EV3, it was about the concepts. So you could think of this as a new way of me teaching these concepts to you through projects that I'm doing, and some of the projects will even be EV3 related. But this is just my way of branching out into different things, trying what's new, because I almost feel like I've exhausted my supply of EV3 tutorials. Alright, so yeah, that's the plan. The EV3 tutorials that I talked about are going to start this August, so probably August 2nd is that first Thursday. and we'll have some EV3 tutorials every Thursday just like we normally did for a few weeks, and I hope to keep that going as long as I can. Suggest ideas for new EV3 tutorials down below, and at the same time I'm also going to be rolling out some project videos, starting with my graduation hat video. Then eventually when my electric bass is done, I'll roll that video out. I hope to make a cloud chamber. That'll be another project-based video. So in August, September-ish time, these project videos will roll out alongside the new tutorial videos every Thursday. And I hope to be able to keep producing some kind of educational content focusing on science and technology for the foreseeable future. Alright, so wrapping up this video, tutorials are starting this August, new EV3 videos every Thursday just like we've been, and we'll be doing that for at least 2, maybe 3 months, so be there or be square. And at the same time, I'm also going to be rolling out project videos showing you guys some of the stuff that I've been working on this summer, so hopefully you're interested in that. Let me know if you like them and you'd like to see more project videos too. Anyway, thank you for being such consistent supporters of this channel and such consistent viewers, and I hope to see you there in August when I start again with the EV3 tutorials and the project videos. Thanks.